Okay, I'm gonna be discussing to you about Ibiblia for PC. So this is our first vlog regarding Ibiblia, and my goal today is to introduce to you Ibiblia, its functions and different features. So let's go. So the first feature or function of Ibiblia is to produce a Bible translation. Okay, so wherever country you may be, if you're called by the Lord to translate a Bible, or you're working with a team of translators and your goal is to produce a particular Bible translation in your own language, this is one of the best program, or the best program I should say, for you. Okay, as far as free softwares or free PC programs are concerned. So I've been using this Ibiblia for a couple of years now, and it has developed into a very robust and user-friendly program for Bible translators like me. Okay, so secondly, as a result of producing a Bible, or as a side function of this Ibiblia software, you can also do proofreading Bible text. Okay, so if you are familiar with theWord Bible software, Ibiblia is made for Bible modules created for theWord software. So if your desire is not to translate a Bible, that's fine. For example, you have a existing translation that you would like to update, or you would like to correct. Okay, if you see some errors like wrong punctuations or extra letters, should be there. So Ibiblia is good for you. Okay, the third function of Ibiblia is to copy Strong's and morphology codes from one module to another. Okay, so if you have an existing Bible translation that doesn't have a Strong's codes or definition embedded on it, or morphology codes, Greek parsing, something like that, then Ibiblia can help you simplify your task, okay, of copying Strong's codes on a particular translation. So this new translation, or the project you're working on, will have Strong's or morphology codes embedded on it. Okay, go to the fourth function of Ibiblia, and that is to create interlinear Bible modules. Okay, and lastly, you can also produce or create your own analytical concordance modules for theWord. Okay, so that's it. That's an introduction. Now we're gonna go to theWord and Ibiblia. So this is an example of the project that I'm working on with Ibiblia. Okay, so this is a Septuagint, which is the Old Testament in Greek, a module, and what I'm doing is number 3, Okay, so I'm trying to copy the Strong's codes from this source text, the first window right here, to this destination window or text, which is the second section of the program. So we're now located at Genesis chapter 35 verse 10. Okay, so here is the Greek, here are the Greek or Strong's codes. Okay, so if I click that, you see here the highlighted words where the Greek codes or the Strong's codes are being copied. Not just the Strong's, but also this Morphology codes. Okay, if I'm gonna double click this source text, you're gonna see the Greek word kai has this Strong's code W or the G2532 with a morphological code TCONJ, which means it's a conjunction. Alright, and so on with the rest of the Greek words. Okay, so what Ibiblia does is to copy this from this source text here, okay, on the second or our destination text. So I'm gonna hit escape. Alright, so it will be copied. As you can see, whatever I do here at this word, same thing happens on this other word, okay, which is of a different text. So all I need to do now is to export the project into a Bible module, so it will have the same information, Strong's and morphological codes that we are working on here. So that's just an example of number 3. Okay, so number 4 is the interlinear Bible modules, which we can see right here. Okay, so this is just one example. There are more examples that we can show you, but it's not for the purpose of this video. Okay, so I think that's it.